Time for another episode of this infernal wheel. Let's spin it. I blame Aaron. What the hey? Hot Mexican. For the purposes of YouTube, we'll call it Hot Mexican Call Girl. Well, it all starts with tequila. I don't know how this even made it onto my bar. Tequila and I aren't really on speaking terms. Okay, how do we approach this? I'm thinking we'll put it over ice. What do you think? Let's grab some ice here. Pop it into our mixing glass. Oh, I'm not feeling very comfortable about this drink. We're gonna start with some tequila. All right. Yeah, it's tequila. I remember it well. All right. Hot sauce. Get your hot sauce. This is hot pepper sauce. I'm thinking maybe 2. Whoa, that's enough. Holy shit. Burn, baby! And the crowning glory is tuna juice. Who makes this shit up, man? Who makes this shit up? Yum. Oh boy. Okay, stir it up. Get her nice and chilled. Oh my God. It's like I'm feeding my cats or something. All right, good enough. It's really strong. Strong with tuna. All right. Why not? We're good. Oh boy, look at that. Yummy. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna garnish. Oh my God, with a piece of tuna. You know what? I think it needs a little bit more. Hang on. No, it doesn't. We're good. We're good. Oh, yeah. Okay. We'll just put that right on top. Ooh, there it is. Ta-da! How wrong is this? Look at this thing. Oh my God. It's cloudy, and all the hot sauce is kind of lingering near the bottom. Yum. All right. Oh, and look at the garnish. Love it. All right, let's try this thing out. What am I talking about? I'm not gonna drink this. Sorry to disappoint you. I haven't had a drop of tequila since 1979, and well, that's a story for another day, you know. So the joke's on you guys, Aaron and Viv. I ain't gonna drink it. So what do you think of that? Wait a minute. I'm calling Viv out. Hey, get your ass in here.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No.
Come on.
Oh, really?
Come on. It's got your name on it, baby.
So I gotta take one for the team right now?
Take one for the team. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is.
That does look divine.
Yeah. How does one drink that?
Carefully, I guess. Seriously? All right. Well, the garnish is a garnish, so you have to have it last, right?
Not necessarily.
Well, we are today.
Okay. It's your drink.
Oh, that's strong.
Yeah.
All right. There's no crying in bartending, right?
So what are you smelling?
Well, the tuna's up front.
Yeah.
The tequila's in the back, but it's cutting through like 90 with this hot sauce here. With all the terms you use, pretty much.
Well, yeah, you know.
All right.
Okay.
Cheers.
Go, 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 go. Oh, you didn't get any hot sauce. Keep going. Yeah, baby. Yeah, there it is. Now you know what it feels like to be me. Wait.
It's not good. It's not that bad. It's definitely not good.
Would you order it in a bar?
No.
Good for you. Wow.
Cheers.
I'm impressed.
It's the Tabasco aftertaste for me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, that didn't really work the way I wanted it to. Hell. Anyway, I think we've covered them all.
Nah, there's still some left. There's one left.
There's one left, eh? Well, let's spin it and see what happens. Next time. That wasn't fun. Thanks for watching. Check out some more Bar Talk and Cocktails. See you next time.